What if I told you that in just 30 seconds, I will build a fully functional website, live and ready to go with just 3 prompts? And the best part of all of this is that I do not need any coding skills, Java, HTML, CSS, or any of that nonsense, because I mean, building a website is one of the easiest things to do nowadays, all thanks to the rise of AI, which has literally made our lives easier. As a matter of fact, here is my own fully functional website that I have just created from scratch to finish, which is what you can see on the screen right now. I mean, as someone who is trying to build a personal brand, having a personal website is one of the best decisions I have ever made. So if you're someone whom the thought of setting up a website just feels overwhelming, or if you've always thought a website was something only the big brands or tech savvy people have, then this video is the one you need to watch. Now, this is really simple, so let's get right into it. By the way, if you're new here, hi, my name is Adesholamie, and more often than not, I talk about how to make money, how to grow your money, and how to invest your money. If those are the kind of videos you are interested in, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and turn on the post notification bell for more videos like this one. Alright, so straight up, the name of the platform we're going to be using to create our website in 30 seconds is called Durable, which is hands down the fastest website creator I have ever come across in my entire life. No cap. So let's get right into it. If you click directly on the link in my description box, it's going to take you to the website, but you can just enter www.durable.co, and this is what it looks like. As you can see, all you have to do from here is to click on generate website, and this is only going to take 30 seconds. Just to prove to you, I'm going to set my timer for 30 seconds right now, but before we do that, let us fill in our details. So I'm going to click on generate my website, then enter the type of business I am building, which is a digital content creation service. I'm going to change my location to Nigeria and enter the name of my business, which is Adesholamie, since I'm trying to build a personal brand here. Now, before I click on generate website, hey Siri, set a timer for 30 seconds. Let's go. All right. Okay. 24. 20. Bruh. I have no words. I have no words. So that is really done. And you can see it literally took us less than 30 seconds to have this set up. All right, now that it's done, this is where you sign up. So just input your email and password, and there you go with a fully functional website with multiple sections, and it looks pretty good. However, this is just a basic website setup which we generated in 30 seconds, but you will have to fully customize this based on what you do and how you would like specific things to appear, which would need additional time. The beauty of Durable is that you can completely redesign this without having to upload any stock image. But for me, who is trying to create an impression online, I would have to upload some of my pictures, which I will get to in a minute. So when you first create your website on Durable, your homepage will look somehow like this. You can then go ahead and change your template to your preferred one by clicking on change template and then applying. Right. However, if you're not comfortable with that, you can click on the customize section here and change the template a couple of times. And I think I like this one. Yeah. Then apply and save. As you can see, after clicking the save button, the icon at the top left corner of your screen changes to publish, which we won't be clicking now anyway until we are done modifying our website and ready for it to go live. Now, because I'm trying to build a personal brand, I would ideally want my face to appear on my website. So let us edit this section out. When you click on the image, you'll get a pop-up. As you can see here, click these 3 dots on the right side, then click the edit section icon, and you'll get a drop down like this. Scroll down to the bottom, then you'll see where you can delete, regenerate, or replace the carousel images. I'll click on the replace button and upload an image to replace the previous one. Click on the upload button and voila, the first image has been replaced. You can then go ahead to do the same for all the other images you wish to replace and delete the ones you don't need. As for me, 2 images are okay, so I will upload another image of me, and after that I'll delete this one, and this one. Yeah, when we're done with that, you want to click on done and save. So here we have it, the first section of our website. I love it so much. This looks really good. Now, another thing I would like to do here is to change the font of this Adesholamie pencil right here. So if you don't like how your write-up appears, just click on it and change the font from here. And as you can see, we have multiple options to choose from, just like this. Yeah, I think I'll go with Bosca. Bosca looks good. Yeah, Bosca. Okay, good. We also have the option of changing our logo style from text to a branded one, but since I don't really care about that, I'll just click done and save. When we're done with that, the next thing would be to modify this section, which is like a mini bio the durable AI has generated for me, which looks pretty good by the way, but I would just like to add a spice, okay, to it or change it completely. So just like the first one, you click on it, then the pop-up appears. I'll then delete the previous one and type in my own thing. But I mean, you can always leave it if you feel like it is working for you. If it's not, type in whatever it is you want, or you can even regenerate the content from here. Anyway, I'll just type in this. My name is Adesholamie, but my friends call me Spence Money. Then just go ahead with the other things, which is a short description of me and my brand. I'll edit the font, tweak it around a little, make it look catchy and presentable, because that is the goal, right? I'll also be adding a button section, move it around a little bit, change the font, and lastly, I'm going to add the color. Right now, for the color part, I already have a brand color, which is usually brown and nude, but because we have so many shades of brown and nude, it is important to know your color code. So for my brown, the code is 472F2F and my nude is 9B8080, which I am going to be using for this section. As you can see, this looks really good and I love it already. Essentially, all you need to create a website that could potentially get you straight to the big bag is already at your fingertips without having to go anywhere else. Everything you need is right here on Durable, and the amazing thing is that this is so easy to use and it is very beginner friendly. As you can see, not one single coding has occurred at any point in time, and we have just brought 2 sections to life in just a few minutes. Well, let me know in the comment section what you think about all of this. Now, moving on to the third section, I would like to have a link to my YouTube channel here, or like a recent video on here, and for that I'll just create a new section by clicking on this add section right here. And as you can see, there are tons of new options you can add to your website that will give you that professionally looking website kind of vibe. So I'll just select video content, then select video. One thing I would however say is to make sure that what you're uploading or writing here is catchy enough to make anyone who visits your website want to take action. And most importantly, remember to always keep it simple. Now, because this is a video section, we need to add a link address here. So I'll just go ahead to my YouTube channel and copy any video link. And I think this one works just fine. Copy and paste it here and it pops up right on the screen. I mean, creating a website could never get any easier. I'll also change the heading, change the style, play around with the fonts, with the colors, add some gradients, borders, whatever. Just have fun with it, like I'm doing with my custom color, and let your style and personality shine through. When you find the one you like, click on done and save. Now, let us preview what it would look like if we were going to publish it right now. This is just like a glimpse, right? Just to see what we've been working on. Up here, you'll just hit the preview button and boom, there we have it. This is so nice. This is giving. I love it. This is what it would look like if you checked it out on a phone. And this is pretty amazing. I promise you. See how nice and simple it looks. Yeah. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section. I would love to know what you think, especially if this has been helpful so far. I'll just go ahead to delete all other sections I'm not interested in, since I can always add them back anyway. One thing I however want to add on my website would be my Instagram page, and all I have to do is to add the social media section. Click on Instagram, connect my Instagram, allow, and there we have my Instagram right here on my website. And truthfully, Durable is just so amazing. I love how easy this is and how beginner friendly it is. It just makes everything easy, simple and straightforward. I'll just tweak it around a little, change my heading and then save. I'll just go ahead to delete every other section again, except the blog posts, because I want to work on that. Essentially, I'm just going to create pages. So click on the page section right here and click on create page. These are all the options we have, and I will just click on a blog post. Now let's quickly try something, guys. What if I told you that Durables AI will help you generate a complete article on any topic you type in here? Check this out. So these are some suggestions, and I'll click on the first one, and in about 30 seconds we have a complete article. I love it so much. We can also edit some of these and change the images if you want, but I'll go ahead to upload my image just to make it a little bit fancy, publish, and then save. Now if we go back to the home page, you can see we now have a post under the blog section, and then I'm just going to play around with the colors until I'm comfortable, and that would be it. I will then go back to do the same thing because I would like to have like 3 blog posts under this section. I would ask the AI to generate 5 ways to make money online, and voila, we have it done. I'm just going to read through it, change it around a couple of times, add an image, and that would be it. Nobody's gonna know. I'll go ahead to include another post, do the same thing. I'll just ask you to write a post on understanding the concept of saving, and I'll click on generate. I'll tweak it around again, add my picture, add text, or remove some if I want, publish, and then save. So let's go back to the home page and take a look at that beauty. Clean and straight to the point. I mean, what else are you looking for? Everything you need is on this platform, so you don't have any excuse. One thing I need you to understand is that the AI generated content would need additional editing, and this would require some customization to suit your needs. So whenever you try to generate a content, always go through it to be sure that it is giving you exactly what you want. And yeah, we are almost done with our website. This is what our website looks like if you click the preview button. Very nice, very demure, and let us proceed. Down here, I'm going to include my contact section, right? It's very important to have this section because it is like a call to action section, and I'm just going to tweak it around a little, change the template, and add some colors or even a picture if I like, but it looks weird, so I'm just going to delete it. Yeah, when that is done, I will save. The most important thing is to try to keep it very simple, very demure, and straight to the point. I can also add widgets like Messenger and WhatsApp, and that would be it. Lastly, I'm going to work on this last section right here, which is my footer. Again, I'm just going to click on these 3 dots, change the color, and add my social media links down here. So I'll click on add channel and link my YouTube, link my Instagram, and link my TikTok. Basically, you just want to add all your social media here and click save. Tweak it around a little, edit the style, add some custom color, and just move things around the way you want, and save that too. As you can see, you can restyle this as many times as you like, and you can edit each style here. Pretty simple and straightforward, I would say. Our website is almost done. Now, if you watch up until this point, you really shouldn't go about saying creating a website is hard. I mean, you can do better. Don't do that, okay? Anyway, now that we are done, okay, because I mean, that's the last section, so I'm pretty much done. Let us preview our website in multiple formats, because obviously you want to make sure that everyone with a mobile phone, a laptop, or an iPad can easily access your website, and it will still look pretty good. So here is what the website looks like if you look it up on a mobile phone. This is what it would look like on an iPad, and this is what it would look like on a laptop, which, to be honest, they all look good. Don't you think so? Let me know what you think. I'll just go ahead and add some finishing touches, and our website, my website, is ready to go live. Okay, period. Now, to publish your website, you only have to pay $12 per month, which is really a steal compared to how much other companies will charge you. However, if you use my discount code Adesholamie30, you get 30% off the first 3 months, and with this you can get a customized domain name like adesholamiespence.com or like adesholamie.com. Whatever it is you want, you can always get, as long as it is available, and your website will be live in a couple of minutes, and we're good to go. One thing I need to also quickly point out to you is that with Durable, you can also build a brand voice. So just come onto the home section, select brand, and just upload your logo if you have one. Set your color palette, and basically just create a branding for yourself. And you can see the previews, which include an invoice, and that's really a plus if you ask me. So if you're trying to send an invoice to your clients, this is a good one, I must confess. You can even create a business card, see what your logo would look like on a t-shirt or on a tote bag, and you can even customize the fonts. And ladies and gentlemen, you are on a ride from here. Alright, boys and girls, this is what our website is looking like so far. I'll just go ahead to include some last touches and basically cross-check to see if there is anything more I can add or remove, and I'll hit the publish button when I'm done. Easy peasy. Alright, my loves, we've come to the end of this video, and I hope you enjoyed it as much I did, because I really did enjoy creating this website. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, let me know in the comment section, and also let me know the kind of video you would like me to create next. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much. Stay safe, stay fabulous, and I will see you in my next one.